Today I'm updating this neutral bedroom with a contemporary feature using just paint and a few styling tips. This bedroom receives natural lighting and is painted in the fresh, cool-toned white Ballito Foam from Duram. I found this inspiration on Pinterest and I'm going to use the Black Mussel color from Duram to create this sleek, urban look. I found this color from the Habitat color collection on the Duram color wall. It's very simple to find a timeless color from this curated color collection. Time to get going. Paint, tools, a playlist on, let's transform this space. Contrasting the off-white with the blue curved headboard feels like a luxurious boutique hotel. It's amazing what color and a few crisp accents can do. I hope this has inspired you to turn your bedroom into a beautiful sanctuary. Choose from over 850 affordable Duram colors and start painting.